Hello, this is Jerusha's Toy Box, and today we will be doing facts about animals that we have. There isn't very much animals, but I hope you can like and subscribe this video. So, our first animal is Jackson. He is an Australian Shepherd, a toy Australian Shepherd, and he's not much of a player. Not much, but he likes to play a lot with me. And I like to dress him. So that's our first animal. Our second animal, our second animal is our bird, and he's right here. We get him out. This is his cage. Sometimes he can be a little aggressive, and sometimes he'll step up. This is Sinatra, and he is a pretty bird, and he likes to fly a lot to my mom and me, and he's a shoulder person. He likes to shoulder. Now put him back in there. And then if you guys don't like snakes, that's okay, because these ones won't be getting out, but I'll just try to pull them out without them getting out. So first he's a white snake, and he's under the blanket. You can see him right there. See, I'll show you. Hi. It's right there. We won't bother him because he might want to snap. Sometimes they can snap. And this is a banana snake. He kind of looks like a banana, but he's out right now. I'll show you. He's right there. You can see he's got tiny little speckles. And he is a boy. These are two boys, which are their male. And this is a female. You can see her, but I don't want her to snap because she is big. That is Saphira, and she's a very big snake, and she eats a lot. And we have no one in this because Mama sold the other snake. So, yeah, and basically we have one more pet. That's her. That you might want to close that because she might want to snap. Okay, we have one more animal, but ignore all the stuff in my room because I can make a lot of messes. So, this guy is named Raven. This is Raven. He lives in my room, and he is a beta. You can see him right there. And that's his little castle. He likes to go in there, but not very much. So Raven is a boy. He's a male, and I'm gonna look on his case. He is. You can see a half moon double tail placket male. Half moon double tail. And thank you, and please subscribe to Jerusha's Toy Box, and that is all for today.